Phrasal verbs unlocked. Turn out, revealed. Hello, English learners. Welcome back to our series on phrasal verbs. Today, we're exploring the exciting world of turn out. This common phrasal verb has a few different meanings depending on context, and we're here to unravel them all for you. By the end of this video, you'll be using turn out like a native speaker. Let's start with the basics. The phrasal verb, turn out, is a combination of the verb, turn, and the preposition, out. It can have different meanings depending on its usage. Let's see how. 1. Turn out, to express a result or outcome. In this context, turn out can mean how something eventually becomes or what happens in the end. For example, the party turned out to be a great success. 2. Turn out, to mean produce. It can also be used to describe the act of producing or making something in large quantities. For instance, the factory turns out 500 units a day. 3. Turn out, to indicate attendance. Another usage of turn out is to express how many people came to an event. For example, thousands of fans turned out for the concert. Now that we understand what turn out can mean, let's see how we can use it in different sentences. 1. Expressing result or outcome. I didn't know how the project would go, but it turned out really well. 2. Meaning produce. This bakery turns out the best cookies in town. 3. Indicating attendance. A large crowd turned out to watch the fireworks. Remember, the context will usually tell you which meaning is intended. Now it's your turn to try out, turn out. Fill in the blank with the correct form of turn out. 1. The event was more popular than we expected. Over 500 people, blank. 2. I was worried about my exam, but it, blank, I passed. 3. Our factory, blank, 200 cars every week. Don't forget to pause the video and think before you answer. Well done, everyone. You've made it to the end of our lesson on the phrasal verb, turn out. Remember, the more you use turn out in your daily conversations, the more natural it will feel. Keep practicing, and before you know it, you'll be using turn out like a pro. Stay tuned for more lessons on phrasal verbs. Happy learning!